where is the next summit? There's a lot of rumors flying around. Okay, let me answer this question. Show the video. So, remember people, Oktoberfest in Germany, you drink beer a whole month. So you have to practice from now on, till 1 year, because you'll have beer for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, right? And what I love about this next summit is, for this summit, we worked very hard, Natalie, Linda, me a little, Pinar, the sister of Ilker, wow. She was the one who helped us choose this hotel. It took us 3 trips to Turkey to find this great hotel, but she found it because the owner of this hotel is her friend. And I fell in love with it the moment I see it. It's on the sea, so what else can be? It has a great swimming pool. That's all I want. And a great, also, meeting room. Anyway, so where's Pinar? If she's here, she should come over and come, Pinar. So how was it talking to Linda every day 3 times?
I will miss her, actually. Thank you for this opportunity, because it was a big trust, after İlker's job and after his big success. It was hard to deal with this. But thank you. Welcome to our country. I hope you have the joy of the things and our heritage, these kind of things. Thank you for this.
Everybody says this was the best exhibition or conference or summit they have been in.
It's an honor.
So
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Also, I'm not alone. I have a big team over there. I want to clap. I want to take something. What you want? So, Aslı, Orhan, North Media, Serkan. North Media. And Murat, and over there, and our students, Tekya students, thank you, Deniz, Murat, Ömer, thank you all, thank you.
Thank you, Toda.
And thank you, İlker.
By the way, this event was obviously broadcast live, so there were, I don't know how many, hundreds, thousands who were watching it. It was live on also YouTube, on Facebook, so it's giving us a lot of nice branding. And what I love also about this next summit is I have to do nothing. SolidCAM Germany will do everything, they promised me. Well, just come as a visitor, okay? And maybe I'll talk there. Okay, Now we come to the wrap-up. Originally, I put myself half an hour. Now, you people now know everything. I can add nothing more. I just have one word more. Show the presentation. Okay, so can you all people guess what is the one word that I am going to wrap up the conference with? Let's see. Sell, sell, sell, sell. And give best technical and post-sale support, and obviously make more and more manufacturing customers very profitable and happy. That's your mission. So, if you do your job right, what will happen? Let's see the next slide. SolidCAM all over the world. Yes, we come. Enjoy Galata.